Welcome to Trendy Reviews. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting and innovative segments of the smartphone market. Foldable phones. In this video be reviewing the top 5 best foldable phones of 2025. These devices are pushing the boundaries of technology and design, offering a unique blend of portability and performance. Whether you're looking for cutting-edge features, exceptional camera quality, or a seamless multitasking experience, we've got you covered. So let's unfold the future and find out which foldable phone is the perfect fit for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with all our latest reviews. Let's Number 5. Motorola Razr 2023. The Motorola Razr 2023 is a standout in the foldable phone market, blending nostalgic design with modern innovation. This latest iteration of the iconic Razr line features a sleek and compact form factor that's easy to carry and a pleasure to use. The external display is a 3.6 inches quick view panel, allowing you to check notifications, control music, and even take selfies without opening the phone. When unfolded, the main display is a stunning 6.7 inches OLED screen with a 144 Hz refresh rate, offering vibrant colors and smooth visuals for all your media and apps. With a battery capacity of 500 mAh, the Motorola Razr 2023 supports all-day use. Number 4. Google Pixel Fold. The Google Pixel Fold is one of the most anticipated foldable phones of 2024, and it doesn't disappoint with its sleek design and robust build. The Pixel Fold is a testament to Google's commitment to innovation and quality design and display. The Pixel Fold features a sophisticated hinge mechanism that allows for a smooth transition between its compact and expanded forms. When unfolded, the device boasts a stunning 7.6 in OLED display with a 120 Hz refresh rate, ensuring vibrant colors and a buttery smooth user experience. When folded, the external 5.8-inch screen is perfect for quick tasks and notifications. Number 3. Motorola Razr Plus. The Motorola Razr Plus is a standout in the foldable phone market, blending nostalgia with cutting-edge technology design and build. The Razr Plus features a refined clamshell design that pays homage to the original Razr while incorporating a flexible ultra-thin glass display that unfolds seamlessly. It boasts a 6.7 inches PED main display with a 144 Hz refresh rate, delivering vibrant colors and smooth scrolling camera. The dual camera system includes a 50MP main sensor and a 13MP ultra-wide lens, offering excellent photo quality and versatility. It combines the nostalgic flip phone design with modern smartphone capabilities, making it a unique choice in the foldable phone market. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, one of the standout foldable phones of 2024. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 continues to lead the foldable phone market with its impressive blend of innovation, design, and functionality. This latest iteration from Samsung boasts a refined hinge mechanism, making it even more durable and smooth to operate. The Z Fold 5 features a stunning 7.6 in QXG, a plus dynamic AMOLED 2X main display, providing vibrant colors and a seamless viewing experience, perfect for multitasking, gaming, and media consumption. Under the hood, the Z Fold 5 is powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, ensuring lightning-fast performance and efficiency. It comes with up to 12 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of internal storage, making it a powerhouse for productivity and entertainment. Number 1. OnePlus Open. The OnePlus Open is making waves in the foldable phone market in 2024, standing out with its sleek design and powerful performance. This device features a stunning 7.8 in AMOLED inner display and a 6.3 in AMOLED outer display, both offering vibrant colors and smooth scrolling. With a 120 Hz refresh rate, powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, the OnePlus Open ensures top-tier performance. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking, camera enthusiasts will appreciate the versatile camera setup, which includes a 50MP main sensor, a 48MP ultra-wide lens, and a 32MP telephoto lens, delivering crisp and detailed photos in various conditions. Thanks for watching this review of the top 5 best foldable phones of 2024. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Make sure to subscribe to Trendy Reviews and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest tech reviews and eco-friendly tips. Check out these other videos for more great content on top 5 best foldable phones of 2024. Thanks for watching. See you next time.